channel, and if you're new, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a different type of video. I've done a similar one before and it's on Boxycharm, but this month I'm reviewing obviously July's box. But instead of already having my face done and just kind of show you guys what I used, what I liked, what I didn't like, I'm going to be going through and actually trying this on camera, giving you my first impressions, so on and so forth. So I thought this would be more beneficial, and some of you guys also commented on my last video asking for me to do this next. So I'm kind of excited. I've already tried one of the products, but I'll explain why. Excuse my skin, it's decided to break out for whatever apparent reason, but it's fine. Like, my skin hates me, it's cool, like, it's fine. So let's get started. So as I mentioned before, if you haven't watched my last Boxycharm video, I will link that down below. That is on the month of June's box. And this is basically what it looks like when you get it in the mail. You get like 5 to 6 full-size products, and you pay $21 a month for this box, and a bunch of cool new stuff. So you get also coupons. You get this little like card in the box that gives you all of the product details, the month's theme. So this month's theme is road trippin'. Get all the products, their prices, so on and so forth. I'll read those off as I go through them. First thing I'm going to point out is that I already used one of the products, and that is the Farmacy Bright On Vitamin C Mask. I already used this because I wanted to go ahead and do it before my makeup to see if I even liked it, if it made my skin look a little bit healthier and glowy, or I don't know. It tells you here to massage it on your face in circular motions until color transformation has changed or occurred, and leave it on for 5 to 10 minutes. So it's cute because the packaging is like this lavender to green color, and when you apply the product, it comes out of the bottle, it's purple, and then you apply it on your face and massage it in, and it's like a light green. So it kind of matches the packaging, which I thought it was pretty clever and really cute. This retails for $38, and my favorite. It's not like something I haven't tried before. I have plenty of other masks that I've tried that I like more, that are even drugstore and affordable. So if you want to know what kind of masks I use, go to my skincare routine. I will also link that down below in the description box. You guys can watch some different types of products that I like there. This thing that I want to show you guys is that I got this. So they were saying that there were 2 like variations of the box, and some people got the setting spray by Tarte, and some people got this Crown Pro eyeshadow palette. I was hoping I was gonna get the setting spray because I kind of wanted to try it out, and I mean, it's summer, so setting spray is great. I have a million palettes already, so, but you know, everything almost broke all of it, but it's fine. I am kind of excited to try it out because I've seen some videos on it, and it looks like it's a good palette, but I kind of want to try it out and see for myself. So this palette, I'll go ahead and open up for you. This palette is a little clear film. Has a mirror, which is nice, and you get these really pretty colors, which I think are very pretty. I'm gonna actually use this eyeshadow palette for you today on camera and kind of go through and use as many shades as possible to give my honest opinion on it. This palette retails for $29.99, so I mean, for how many shades is there? I mean, $30 is not that bad for 10 shades, but I feel like there's plenty of other palettes that I would prefer to get over if like I saw this in a store, but I don't know. I'm not gonna give it my full opinion yet, but I'm gonna try it, and then I'll make that clear statement at the end of this. So I'm gonna go ahead and use the palette for you guys, and then I'm going to go back and talk to you about the other products when I'm done with that. So I'm gonna go ahead and do my eyebrows off camera and already conceal and prime my eyelid and get ready to use the eyeshadow palette, so I'll be right back. Hey guys, and I'm back with my brows. I just finished them. I also primed my skin. I did my usual brow combination, which is the Anastasia Beverly Hills Dip Brow in shade Ebony, along with the Brow Wiz in shade Ebony as well. I tried to do concealer today to shape my brows and prep my eyelids, which is the Smashbox Studio Skin 24-hour waterproof concealer. I'll go ahead and get started on the eyeshadow. Again, I'm using this Crown Pro palette that I got in my Boxycharm, and I'm gonna go ahead and go in with this shade right here as a transition, and take my Morphe G24 brush and dip in and just start applying this all over my crease area as a transition shade. The color's nice. It's not too intense. It's definitely a buildable shadow. It's not very pigmented. I'm not really sure what I'm gonna do with my eye yet, like really have no idea. So how did my eyebrow hair get in there? Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and take this color right here. It's like pinkish brown color. It's really pretty. I'm gonna go ahead and take that and go right over that transition color. Oh, this one has a little bit more pigment to it, so we'll see how that looks. I don't want to apply it too. That's a pretty color. This one's definitely more pigmented than that first shade that I used. I don't know if these shades have names. No, they don't. And I'm just using back and forth like windshield motions, just kind of building this in my crease right now. This brush by Profusion, it's the blending brush, and I'm gonna go in with this slightly darker brown shade on the bottom here. I'm just gonna focus this on my outer corner. Not so much blend it in the crease because I don't want to make my crease too dark. So I'm gonna focus this like on the outer corner. Take this Luxie 227T brush. It's a small little packing brush. I'm gonna go back in with that same darker brown shade and just kind of pack a little bit more on the outer corner because it didn't really do much for me. So I'm just gonna have to build that color if I want it a little bit darker in the outer corner with my Anastasia Beverly Hills dual ended brush. And I'm going to take the small packing side and go in with this just darker charcoal-y kind of looking brown and add that a little bit to the outer corner just to give some depth. All right, once I kind of have that done, I'm gonna go ahead and pick one of the shimmers. I'm not really sure. I think I might use these two right here. This one's more of like a pink shimmer and this one's more of like a goldeny, but it's kind of duochrome and it has some pink accents in it. This flat concealer brush, but I'm gonna use it for this anyway. I'm gonna go ahead and spray it before I dip it in there because I usually spray my brushes before using shimmers anyway, just because you have a better payout with the color and the intensity. So I'm gonna dip it in there. Okay, that picks up quite a bit of product, so hopefully this shimmer is better than the matte shades. So I'm gonna put that right in the center, and then I'm gonna go back in with those darker shades and buff it all out. So, oh, okay. Way better than the matte shades. Just gonna put that out there. I have that kind of pink rose kind of shimmer. I'm gonna take the same brush, that gold shade next, right here. These shimmers are really good. I really like these. I'm gonna take that and start applying that in the inner portion of my eye. So I haven't experienced any fallout, which is really good because usually you get that with some palettes and it's really annoying, and that's usually why I do my eye makeup before my face makeup, because I hate getting fallout. This Profusion brush again, and take one of the darker shades, this darker shade here again, and just kind of buffing that on the outer corner to blend out where the shimmer and the matte meet, so there's not like a harsh line. And just gonna take this little dome shape brush by IBY Beauty, and I'm gonna dip into the, it's a very light champagne color, very beautiful for the brow bone and corner highlight. So I'm gonna pop that right on my brow bone. Very like dusty rose kind of shimmer color right here. So I'm gonna take a little bit of that and just kind of pat that on top of between that gold and that kind of brighter pink in the middle, just to blend and just to use it. All right, so I went ahead and applied a thin layer of eyeliner, and I'm gonna go ahead and use the mascara that I received in the Boxycharm. Mascara is called the Wander Beauty Unlashed Volume and Curl Mascara, and it comes in this little tube, which is different. For $24. Apply so you guys can see how it looks. Interesting curvy one. I know that I already have like really small lashes, but there's that kind of give me more length and volume than this one does. I don't really know how I feel about this. Just isn't doing anything for me personally with my non-existent lashes, so not a winner for me, but it is a good one for you if you do have naturally longer lashes. So feeling this without lashes, so I'm gonna go ahead and apply some lashes. I'm going to apply the lashes that I got in last month's box. Okay guys, so the lashes are on, and I really like these lashes. They're very like natural and just lashes on. I'm gonna go ahead and do my face quickly off camera because there's some other things I still have to test out, so I'll be right back. Okay guys, so I just quickly finished my face. I went ahead and also smoked out my lash line. Same palette, I went ahead and took this shade, and this rosy shade up here, and I kind of combined those. I ended up liking the palette way more now that the eye look is done. I noticed that the shimmers though, like when you apply them, they're very vibrant and like really just stand out, but then as you're like working on your face and stuff, you can tell that they start to kind of don't last with that intensity as when you first put them on, but they're still very pretty and I still really like them. So the next thing that's in the box is this Luminous Silk Compact Blusher with argan oil in it. So it's by Note shade Desert Rose, so I'm guessing it's gonna be like a pinky shade. That's so pretty. It's like a pink, but it also has like peachy tones, so I'm excited to try that now. This pointed blush brush, and go ahead and dip in that blush. Oh, she's pigmented. Color is so pretty. Oh my god, this is gonna be my new favorite blush right now. Like what? I'm in love with the blush so far. I really like that. Oh, also,
oh my god, I almost died. Okay.
That blush retails for $12. It is honestly so pretty. Like honestly, I would repurchase that blush because the color is just so nice. Oh, I love this blush. Last thing is, okay, you guys are gonna hate me probably more than I hate myself right now. Probably, no, actually I hate myself more right now. I forgot to realize that one of the products in here is an eyebrow product, and as you can tell, I already did my eyebrows. I hate myself, but I don't know what I'm gonna do. I had all this powder all over my face. You know, sometimes it gets in your brows and stuff, so I'm gonna go ahead and just kind of run this over my brows in areas that maybe are more powdery than others. So this is the Chella Tantalizing Taupe Eyebrow Cream. Taupe is definitely not my color. I'm guessing this is like a universal eyebrow pencil, which is where the harder you apply, like the darker it's gonna look. So you have to like take a light hand if you're like a lighter color. Brush on one end, and there's like a little pot with like the cream, like the eyebrow cream, in the other end. Retails for $26. This is by Chella Beauty. Go ahead and dip the little brush in there. Is this? I know I already have my other eyebrow stuff on there and I can't really give a full review. I literally hate myself. I'm so sorry. Like, I didn't even think about it. It does feel very creamy, which is nice. So far, it's not that terrible. I'm gonna try this alone and kind of update you guys either on my page or use it in another look on here so you guys can get the full review on this. I'm so sorry again, I didn't even think about it. Those are all the products on Boxycharm. I'm gonna go ahead and finish off my face and show you guys the finished look. Okay guys, and this is the finished look. I actually really liked how it turned out. I went ahead and put on my lower lash mascara, and I also did my lips, which I use the Kylie Cosmetics and Court Collection shade Mini. As a whole, honestly, this month's box was not as great as some of the other ones, but it did have lots of wonderful products that I actually found out to be my new favorites. So starting with the face mask that I used this morning, I thought it was a really good mask. I felt my skin felt really smooth and healthy and glowy looking afterwards. It was $38. And to be honest with you, yes, it was a nice mask to receive in a Boxycharm, but no, I would not repurchase this again. The eyeshadow palette was going to be a flop at first because I wasn't feeling the matte shades. They weren't as pigmented as I would like them to be, but they are buildable, and receiving that in a Boxycharm was definitely awesome. And I think the shimmer shades definitely saved the palette in a whole. I absolutely love the blush. It looks wonderful on the skin. Mascara, which honestly wasn't one of my favorites. I wouldn't repurchase this mascara whatsoever. Personally, I already have very short lashes, so I definitely need mascaras that are lengthening and volumizing. Products in here that I will be using again. So yeah guys, I hope you liked this type of video better than my last one. This way you could kind of get my first impressions, my final review. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Go subscribe to my channel for upcoming videos. Also leave a comment below on what you liked, what you didn't like. Let me know. I will see you in the next one. Bye!